Then you're going to want to pop the two inner shell pieces open, and you know what? It looks like I just broke the inner shell top piece. This has actually never happened to me before. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is the OtterBox Defender Pro case for none other than my beautiful iPhone Air right here. Now, before we start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending me this case for free in order to make this video about it, so thank you very much to them. But without further ado, let's start getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So as you guys can see, the box for this case has a big cutout so you can see and touch the case itself. It says OtterBox Defender Pro up here, 7 times tested to military standard, tri-layer defense absorb shock, textured all over for peak grip, and of course it is for the iPhone Air. It says iPhone 17 Air, but as we know, it's just called the Air. Over here in the back, it says it's got a hassle-free limited warranty, raised edges to protect the camera and screen, and a free holster that you can get shipped to you that does not come into the box. So anyway, let's just pop this guy open and see what it's all about. So here is the case itself. We can take it out, and there's also some paperwork inside of it. So over here, we've got some instructions on how to install the case, and over here we have some instructions to get the free holster. But anyway, let's start getting this case on my iPhone. So to start doing that, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is peel the outer layer of this case off, because it is, once again, a 3-piece case. Then you're going to want to pop the two inner shell pieces open, and you know what? It looks like I just broke the inner shell top piece. This has actually never happened to me before. I've unboxed so many OtterBox cases throughout the years for a variety of different iPhones and also Android phones, because like I said, they kind of always, send me these cases for free, and none has ever broken when I attempt to take it apart to put on my phone. So that really stinks right there. Wow. So I guess, do I continue this video? I will try. I'll see if I can still get the case to work. Hopefully it doesn't scratch my iPhone here. So we can put it on right there. And there we go. We can clip both pieces together shut. And then once you have both pieces of the inner shell clipped together, you're going to want to go ahead and put the outer layer back on. And voila, now once you've got the outer shell on, you've got this case fully on your iPhone. And one thing I'm noticing, as you know, this case broke when I was taking it apart to put on my phone. And now that I put it on my phone, you can't really tell it's broken. But I would be curious, how that's gonna work with the drop protection, right? Is the phone still fully protected, even though the inner shell partially snapped? So yeah, I don't know. I don't like doing drop tests because, these phones are expensive, but that's definitely interesting that the case snapped that easily. But anyway, let's do a quick walk around tour of this case right here. So first thing I will say is I think this is a really cool color. I think it's nice to have a shade of blue when you get that blue iPhone Air, so that can kind of match right there. Another thing that really sticks out to me is the raised lip around the rear camera, because that really does stick out. As we know, it's a big rear camera bump, but this case's raised edge is also very big too. So that's something to note right there. Also on the back, you can see the MagSafe ring as well as the OtterBox logo. Over here on this side, we've got the side button as well as the camera control button. We can tap that right there and make sure that works. Yes, it does just fine. Over here on the bottom, we've got cutouts for the speaker grills as well as a flap right here protecting the USB-C port. Then over on this side of the phone, we've got the volume buttons. We can play with these. Yep, nice and clicky. And the action button right here. And yeah, that's a quick walk around tour of this case right here. Last but not least, we've got a raised lip around the front of the phone. So in theory, if you put your phone down on a flat surface, the screen with this case on should not touch that surface. And yeah, even though this is an OtterBox Defender case, which typically, could be quite thick and bulky, and because they're supposed to be protective cases, this case still feels quite thin on this iPhone Air, which is good because, if you get the Air, you're getting it because you want a thin phone, right? It's the world's thinnest iPhone to ever exist if you ignore the camera bump. So that is something to note right there. And also on the sides of this case, there's a bit of a grippy texture right here, a textured feel on the sides, which is good. So hopefully that should make this case a bit more grippy in your hand, because again, such a thin phone can be kind of slippery, you know, without a case on. You want to make sure you can get a good grip on it. But now I think I want to take a moment to test out Apple's iPhone Air MagSafe battery pack with this case, because, you know, I've noticed it works with a lot of cases, but then some it doesn't work with. So let's see. On this case, I'm not sure if it wants to stick on all the way. So it appears to work a bit right here because it is charging, but yeah, it seems to want to slip off very easily. So that's something to note. You may not get full support for the iPhone Air MagSafe battery pack with this case, and I think it has something to do with how big that rear lip around the rear camera array is. So that's kind of annoying. I've said before, you know, I wish Apple would have made this battery pack compatible with just every iPhone, not just the iPhone Air with the weird sizing of this. Because it's cool to have a battery pack, right? A MagSafe battery pack with your devices. I don't know why they need to be so particular, but yeah, something to note right there. But then we can also test out just MagSafe in general with this case. I have Anker's MagSafe battery pack right here, so just a normal MagSafe accessory, and yes, that works just fine. And I mean, yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about this case right here. If you do want it for yourselves, the OtterBox Defender Pro, it will set you back about $80. So yes, it's definitely on the more expensive side of iPhone cases. And I will say, I've got to caution you guys against buying this. Once again, I've tried, you know, OtterBox Defender cases so many times throughout the years for so many iPhones. And I've never seen one break before when I'm just trying to install it on my phone. So contextually, I've never experienced that before. So who knows, maybe this could just be a fluke right here. So hopefully that doesn't happen, you know, in a widespread manner, but just something to keep in mind there. But anyway, let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. And if you are in the market for your very own case for the iPhone Air right here, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different iPhone Air cases that I've unboxed for this phone. And spoiler alert, guys, it is a lot. So I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to smash that subscribe button and subscribe for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.